In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this and install the brand new USB-C so that you have the universal adapters that fit almost every new cell phone cord. And if you're new here, my name is Nick Raptor. I got a 2019 F-150 Raptor and I'm doing all sorts of mods myself. I'm going to show you how to do it as well. Of all the modifications I've done so far, this one is probably the easiest. All you're going to need is this 90-degree pick. You can get them for $2 at Home Depot if you don't have one already. All right, as you can see here, you're going to need that 90-degree to push down on these two clips. There's one on the top and one on the bottom in order to pop it out from the console. All right, I'm going to give you two looks. I'm going to give you a look from the top so you can see what I'm doing, and then a look from the side so you can get in a little bit closer. As you can tell, I'm just taking that 90-degree pick, and there's a little gap between the top of the USB plug and the console. You just stick it in there, push down, and then one corner will pop up, as you can see here. All right, here it is one more time. Get the pick in the top, push. Get the pick in the bottom, push, and then it's free to let go. All right, and now you have access to the back of this connector. You may need a pick to release the wiring harness, but if you have long nails, you can do that too. All right, if you want to buy this part, I put the link down below in the description. It's a really simple swap. They're both Ford part numbers, so it's an OEM equipment piece. All right, there you go. Plug and play. Once the old connection's off and the new connectors are in, go ahead and reinsert it back into the hole that you had from your old box. Let me know if you have any questions and be sure to check out my video of the 5 first modifications I did to my Raptor.